Well, finally conked out, and I put this in for now. This old Amania compressor died, and this room got almost to 110 degrees, which is very scary because that's the temperature that these elevator motor controllers will shut off at. So I got this little fan here just helping to cool that. It's much better in here right now. This is an interesting unit. I ordered this through the supply company that I deal with here for the building, where I order all the materials and cleaning products from and everything else. And they're a general supplier like Granger. So I've never heard of this. Perfect Air. This is a 12,000 BTU window air conditioner, and it was so much smaller than the frame that we actually had to put it up on some 2x4s inside there just to get it up enough and kind of pitch it so the condensate will go outside. It's doing a really good job. We got insulation behind this. It has the little shutter things on either side, and I put insulation on the bottom here and silver taped it, and so far it's doing a heck of a good job for the elevator machine room. I'm really pleased with it. So, and then I got this little Honeywell fan here pointed right toward it, and this is brand new. I ordered this too. This is a comfort zone. Now unfortunately the air conditioning just broke it, so I'm actually going to have to bring this fan down to the lobby and just put it in there to try and blow the humidity out, keep the doormat cool. This has been a hell of a week, guys. We got this air conditioner died, lobby air conditioner, the wires burnt up in the disconnect switch. I don't know if it's a compressor. Electrician's coming tomorrow to rewire it, and the boiler's leaking. They're going to have to rebuild the boiler. All the sections on the boiler are leaking, so fun. Always never a dull moment as a building superintendent. So just a little video on the window air conditioner, an update. I've been crazy busy, haven't had time to do videos, sorry. But yeah, again, I have 82 tenants here, no handyman. I do everything here. The handyman work and run the building, except for the cleaning. I don't have to do that with supporters, but a lot of work. So yeah, little update video of what's going on, I guess. I don't know, just throw it in there, and the air conditioning. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Mike out.